but we'll just take it out of the package here and let me show it to you. This is a good, affordable option for anyone that just needs a vise to lock on the side of the table there. You can see right here, it can spin 360 degrees, different directions. It loosens up right there and it locks into place. There's really not much else I can go on about this. I have a small table over here behind my shed where I work on projects a lot, and I've wanted something like this to where I don't have to run inside, grab something to hold on to it. I have these kind of locking vise grips that I've been using, and then I wanted to get me a vise to use to work on projects. So let's take it over to the wooden table that I have over here on the side of the shed. Let's get this thing set up, and I'll show you guys kind of how it works. Okay, everybody, I just installed it on here. So basically all you need is the edge of a table, and look how it's locked on there. So it just basically screws up really tight right there. You'll put whatever you need inside there and you just cinch it down. And then this right here is the adjustment. Check out how I can go 360 degrees right there. So if I want to go like right here, tighten it down. Now what I do, oh, you see this flat spot right here? So if you've got something that you want to smash, say I want to put something in there and flatten it down, like the edge of metal or something, I can put that in there. These things right here are plastic covers that you can put on there. They gave you some screws. This is actually tapped right in there. I like that feature. So that way you can put this on there. So if you're working on something that you don't want to damage, that's what that would work for. And it'd be the same way with these little rubber caps right here. See how these just slide on like that? I like that feature a lot because there's been several times I've been working on projects and I didn't want to scuff it up and destroy it as I was squeezing down on it. So handy that you have that. It looks like they gave you some extra of that. These right here, I'm guessing would go somehow down inside here on the table is what that goes to, so where the screw goes through that. But I didn't need that because I don't care about this table anyway. More little caps right here for it, some additional screws for screwing it down. Let me put something in it and cinch it down and show you guys cinching it down. I'll put some metal in there and I'll bend it over and show you. Check this out. So if I want to like flat hammer on this bar, see how I can cinch that down super tight right there. And then if I want to, I could hammer on this, I could file on it. It gives me a good thing to hold on to while you're filing on it, or if I wanted to saw it. So if I was gonna like saw on this, I could tighten this down right there. Put that down. Now I could get a hacksaw and I could saw this off if I needed to, or just using a acetylene torch, or if I'm welding on something. I think it'd work if you're welding on something and kind of use it as like a little welding table. I think this is a great option for any kind of like around the house projects, whether you're, like I said, like working on a lawnmower blade, or maybe having to cut something, or just holding something while you work on it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the table vise. See you on the next video.